Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you guys for coming back. On today's video is going to be a project share. I've been working on a swap that's going out and the theme is Pastel-O-Ween, and I decided to kind of incorporate the whole paint splatter that I was totally inspired by Ebony sharing more here on Instagram and YouTube. So definitely go check her out. She is amazing at the whole splatter paint. She recently sent a project out or a happy mail out to Buzzing with V, and it was gorgeous. And I was like, oh my gosh, that's it. I have to try it. I had the pleasure of receiving some of her splatter paint work on my birthday challenge, and it's gorgeous. It's gorgeous, you guys. I have not even a quarter of the talent that she has with paint splatter. I'm fairly new, but I kind of think that it turned out okay. Ebony, if you're watching, let me know what you think. And yeah, guys, definitely go check her out. I'm gonna link the video that she recently made showing her project that she sent out. It's beautiful. And I stuck to the whole black and pink and teal and white. I think it looks so cute. The recipient that I am sending this to is super girly, and it's just what I think Pastel-O-Ween is like. And yeah, let me show you guys what I did. I used a variety of dyes. I will show you everything that I used. The first thing I made was these wands. Look how cute, you guys. I love it. So I put the little pom-pom here. I used the black and white striped straws. I think these were from Target last year. I did some ribbon here. I tied it into a bow. A little minty gemmy. Those are from Hobby Lobby. And then it's like a starburst dye. I added some gold thread. You guys always ask me what thread I use. It's the one from Walmart. And then I put a little spider right on top. And then that's the back. I like to cover the straw so it doesn't look like ugly in the back, just like a straw just sticking out. And then I did solid black and then the pink splatter on the pink paper, the pink layers. So that's what that one looks like. And then this one is reversed. So it's the pink paper on the bottom and then the black layers coming in. Same thing with the little ribbon. The straw is a different color. So cute. Same thing with the gold and the little spider. And to create those wands, I used the Starburst die set, the nesting die from In Love. Is it In? I always confuse In Love Art Shop. And I'll have them linked down below so you guys can go check it out. This is amazing. You can make the most cutest little embellishments, you guys. So definitely check this die out. And then another die set that I use from In Love Art is this banner die set. So cute. I wanted to make her some banners, and I just used the pink splatter. And look, you guys, they're so cute. So she can put them on her projects. I didn't want to embellish them or anything like that because I wanted the splatter to show. And she could just use them on her projects. And then I put a cute little bag topper in my little trim paper that I showed you guys on the video. And then I made a cute little bow. I love it. I hope she loves it just as much. And the bow that I made, let me see. I have such a mess here, guys. I'm trying to show you guys everything. The bow that I used is the Alina Cuddle. I think it's the bride bow. I'll have it linked down below as well. And this is what it looks like. I packaged it up really cute for her. I put some little star sequins inside just because I like the look of that. They turned out super pretty. They're basically solid pink on the back and then the black with the pink splatter. And then the little minty gemmies. So everything kind of goes together. I also made this little pocket because there is more that's going on with this swap that I'm doing. So I'm making a bunch of stuff. I'm just a little behind, so I'm working on making little things here and there. I'm making all my handmade stuff first, and then I work on the rest. I have something planned for this, so I will be showing you guys the end results of the swap. So stay tuned for that video once I package it up and stuff. I also made these super cute little heart balloons. You guys, that splatter paint, it just makes such a world of a difference on any project. I used the pipe cleaners that I just recently hauled from Dollar Tree, and then this is just shred paper, like crinkle. And I did the solid pink in the back and then the black on the front with the splatter paint. And I made those, and this is how I packaged them up for her. I kind of inked the edges of the white cardstock in the back and gave her 2 big balloons and 2 small ones. So cute, you guys. I hope she loves them. And then I made, of course, some rosettes for her. I splattered on some white paper. This is when I first did it, and I was using the, I'm going to show you guys right now. In order to splatter up this one, I used the Tim Holtz, what is this, like the stencil. So I did this all over a white paper with black and the minty green and yellow. So that's why it's different than the other ones. I was first like trying to figure something out, like what I wanted to do, but I still like the way they turned out. So I turned them into rosettes. And to make the rosettes, of course, I use my Tim Holtz rosette die. And this one is an Alina Cuddle die as well. It's the heart balloon. All the dies that I used will be linked down below, so definitely go check them out. This one is also from AliExpress, which is like a little pocket die. Let me see if I have it around here. It looks like this. So definitely go check that out. I think it turns out so cute. I need to make a few more because I want to make her a book. And yes, there's going to be tons more to this project, so you guys definitely need to stay tuned. I am so excited. I love how everything looks. What else was I going to show you guys? The paints that I used. Let me grab my little paint bucket here. So I used Folk Art Adrift. I used Baby Pink in Folk Art as well. Hopefully that focuses right there. And then I used also from my Arteza acrylic paints. I mixed in the 2 pinks because I wanted it to be a little bit darker. So I used this one, which is pink, plain pink. I used the black from Arteza, and it's Mars Black. The yellow is Yellow Pale from Arteza. And the white is also from Arteza. It's Titanium White. And I think those are all the colors. Yep, those are all the colors. So those are all the paints that I use to basically create my projects. But yeah, you guys, that is it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know down below, what do you guys think? I am indecisive if I should decorate these. Should I just send them to her like this, or should I decorate them? Sometimes I like to get rosettes that are just like this, and then I can use them on future projects. And yeah, so let me know down below, what should I do? What is your thoughts on my project so far? And thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.